Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own mango sorbet. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 3 large, ripe mangoes, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. The key to amazing sorbet is using perfectly ripe mangoes, so make sure they're soft to the touch for the best, sweetest flavor. This combination creates a refreshing and vibrant treat. Now, let's prepare our mangoes. Carefully peel your ripe mangoes, then dice the flesh into small, uniform pieces. Transfer these pieces to a blender and process until you achieve a completely smooth puree. For an extra silky texture, push the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any fibers. This step ensures your sorbet will be wonderfully smooth and delightful. Next, we'll create the sorbet base. In a saucepan, combine the sugar and water to make a simple syrup, heating until the sugar dissolves. Let it cool completely. Then, mix your smooth mango puree with the cooled simple syrup and the fresh lime juice. Chill this mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before churning it in your ice cream maker for 20 to 25 minutes until it reaches a firm consistency. Once churned, transfer your delicious mango sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 hours to firm up. You can serve it immediately for a softer texture or freeze it longer for a firmer scoop. It stays fresh for up to 1 week in the freezer. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.